mer is a European EV charging company owned by Statkraft, Europe's largest producer of renewable energy. Our vision is to make electric mobility accessible for all. We work with local authorities to bring EV charging to towns, cities and boroughs across the UK. We have partnered with councils including Durham County Council, Dorset Council, Eastleigh Borough Council and Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole Council, offering a future-fit, reliable and effective EV charging solution for residents and visitors. As a company with sustainable ambitions, mer advocates for charging EVs with clean energy, sourcing our electricity from Bry Energy, a Statkraft energy business who provide zero carbon, 100% renewable electricity sourced solely from solar, wind and hydro. We can deliver renewable energy for your charging solution. As part of our sustainable ethos, we focus on quality rather than quantity and install future-fit infrastructure that favours long-term usability of chargers and supports our vision for the sustainable growth of the EV charging market. We recognise that every installation project is unique. mer provides EV charging solutions involving the local authority in every stage of the process. We embrace long-term partnerships with local authorities to ensure we install charging solutions in suitable locations that work for you, your residents and visitors. We take into account several key factors. We have worked with local authorities on government-funded projects including the On-Street Residential Charge Point Scheme and the Local Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Pilot Scheme programs, and we also offer fully funded solutions under several framework agreements which saves time and costs for you. We prioritise our customers when planning, delivering and operating our charge points. Our chargers are functional and user-friendly. Customers can use various payment methods and our partnership with roaming partners ensures a hassle-free charging experience. Our charge points come with a 24/7 customer service helpline, so drivers can enjoy a seamless charging experience at any time of day. Advance the EV transition in your local area with mer, your reliable charging partner. Contact us today to start the journey to installing future-fit EV charging and making the EV transition accessible for all.